Ranking Pipilino street food. Let's see. Let me cry. I so slow. I so slow is the brother of I so speed from the Pipilin. Number 3. Let's see. Adios. Adios Manchester Kitty. Number 2. Very nice. Dolce Cabana Ice Cube. Number 8. Very delicious. Let me cry. Fleshcore, Flosh Bar. Floorball number 10. Very good. Tacos.
Tacos, what?
Number 4. Next one. Tarzan. Number 1. Kiki Meow Meow. Number 7. Very good. Borat.
What? No.
Borat is from Balkan. Let me cry. Number 9. Minimax. It's a cartoon channel. Number 6 and number 5 is Quack Quack. Monarch Mac, Donald Duck. Let me try.